ntanga. I love Mbutsuma kakhulu ntanga. Mbutsuma fights mfethu. Mbutsuma fights, and those goals ntanga gave him another confidence. That guy is hungry. When Mbutsuma started to get in yesterday game, that's when the fans, also the teammates, we could believe here we coming back. Mayeqeda ungene second half angisho.
Yeah.
45 minutes.
Yeah.
Ntanga mayeqeda ungena buma 6 or something.
Yeah.
We're getting a goal, or 68 now.
Yeah.
From Mbutsuma. But apart from getting a goal, he's fighting there. You see, hold up play, top, ntanga, taking the ball to the sides, running to the poles, fighting for everything.
Yeah.
That's what Mbutsuma gives us. I think uPoy udlale kahle kakhulu, and also naye ngizosho ukuthi uyimeyisile penalties. We expected him to score because we wanted to win, but we love you Mbutsuma mfethu. We know ukuthi he wanted to score that penalty, but football God didn't want us to win. That's what I could say.
Did you have a chance to? Because I know during that penalty,
I didn't
he
see.
didn't look
Yeah,
at the penalty.
ngiyechekile ushaya esayidini.
Yeah.
Ngiyangithola ushaya esayidini uMissy Sports, but I don't think we entered something bad. Ngiyangithola.
That was a poor penalty.
I went back to Richards Bay.
Yeah.
I tried to check ukuthi uBoy usha kanjani penalty. Usha so, but sometimes enokuba like phakathi, like straight.
Yeah.
Ngiyangithola. Mina, for me, I think nje it was just unfortunate. It was a good penalty for me. Ukuthi nje akakoranga ngiyangithola. But to rate him, I'll give him an 8.
Like, what do you say? It was a good penalty in that.
Ukuthi he didn't like akashayanga target. If like the Lapola Lea was on target and the keeper went on that side, I don't think we could